Hi everyone, I am Sohani. I look after kids wear demand on Myntra. And today I'm here. I'm very excited to share with all of you what all you should expect during URS and what all we think you should do in terms of preparedness. So I'm very happy to share that kids is one of the most highly focused categories for Myntra this URS. And we are all very excited because we have a bucket of new experiences that we have unlocked for kids this year. We have a gender cross age experience on the kids page. We have special targeting on the huge parental cohort that we have on the platform. And usually there is a 1.5x traffic spike on Myntra, which is huge for kids wear. And I think you all should take benefit of this traffic spike and use this event to get new customers and acquire a lot of new users for your brands. I'll talk about some of the key trends that we are focusing on for kids wear within apparel footwear, and I think you guys should also focus on these in terms of building selection, getting speed, running ads on these kinds of selection. So trends like clothing sets, ethnic wear for kids across age groups like infants, teenagers, kids, etc. Then there's a lot of talk about character merchandise for kids, which is in huge popularity. So I think that is something that all sellers and brands should focus on for this URS. Then infant as a segment overall is something that we are focusing on this year, and we have already gotten a lot of new selection on the platform, which will be discounted, and I urge all of you to ensure that you have all your kids selection live on the platform with the best possible discounts. So you all would be glad to know that speed is something that is more important for kids versus an overall adult apparel on Myntra. So we usually see a 2x spike on conversion when a particular kids product comes on speed. So I urge all of you to have your maximum inventory through SDIT model on speed, so that customers can get the fastest possible delivery for kids products and we can enhance customer experience. And I also urge all of you to ensure that your catalog is in place, the catalog is in best form, and we run ads on the best possible styles across the event. Wishing all of you a great URS, and hope to see all of you participate with the maximum enthusiasm this URS. Thank you.